At Martin Fastening Solutions, we offer custom-tailored solutions focused around Class C components and per-print specials. We help customers minimize cost and provide value through strategic global sourcing, supply chain management, and outstanding customer service.
Everybody sells products we sell, but to truly give the customer service and that feel of individualism, that customer matters to us every day, that's the key to our business.
Our streamlined structure allows us to deliver global reach with personalized care. We have a wide variety of services that include vendor-managed inventory, Kanban, vending, kitting, engineering, and more. We have the knowledge and processes in place to help you operate better.
We always try and make sure that a focus is on what the customer expectations are, not what our expectations are. We want to make sure we conform to them, and we provide them the solutions that they require that are really tailor-made and custom to their design.
We pride ourselves on the high standards we maintain through our quality process. We are ISO 9001 certified and rigorously test each shipment in our lab to ensure accuracy and consistency.
We don't want to just provide bolts in a box. There's a real heavy investment for the future to make sure that we can provide the very best state-of-the-art service and support the requirements that our customers have.